Are you ready for AI that can think for itself? In this video, I'm going to dive deep into the world of agentic AI and talk about some of the latest capabilities that are in the market. So you may ask, what is this agentic AI that you speak of? It's when AI starts to do stuff autonomously for you. It acts as your agent.
Show me the money! Congratulations, you're still my agent.
Well, maybe not that kind of agent. Autonomous driving is probably an example of agentic AI that you're most familiar with. You know, having a car smart enough to navigate traffic on your behalf. There's also another example, autonomous customer service agents or virtual agents.
Welcome to Cisco HR. I'm Kate, your AI agent. How can I assist you today?
Where AI is able to simulate a human conversation and handle tasks typically managed by live agents. About a month ago, ChatGPT recently came out with something they call Operator, which is an agent that can go to the web to perform tasks for you. So imagine you want to reserve a table at your favorite restaurant. You simply ask the chatbot, and it'll go to the web via its browser and figure out how to make that reservation for you. Now, I recently got to try out the AI agent called Manus, and I gotta say, Manus blew my mind. Now, what Manus does, they position themselves as the first general AI autonomous agent, and that's a big claim. They claim that it provides a glimpse into artificial general intelligence, otherwise known as AGI. Now, after I show you how it works, let me know down in the comments if you think this is starting to approach AGI. So let's take a closer look at Manus. So here you see the interface for Manus. On the left-hand side, I can create a new task. And here I asked it to, in the middle panel, you can see I asked it to help me create the sound of a tiger roaring in New York City traffic that lasts 10 seconds. So it needs a plan to be able to pull this together. And below you see it says it'll help me create that sound clip and all the steps that it will use autonomously to accomplish that goal. So how does it do it? You have the ability to monitor each one of the execution steps that it takes to accomplish this goal. And on the right-hand side, you see where it says Manus Computer. That is where it creates this environment, this Linux environment in the cloud to execute upon each one of these tasks. So here you see it creates a sandbox and then it defines each one of the tasks that it needs to do to accomplish the goal. And you see where this becomes really amazing is that it figured out I need to download a sound effect, copyright free, of a tiger and New York City sound effects. I need to then install software so I can edit these audio files. I then need to edit that audio file down to 10 seconds and then deliver an MP3 file as the output. So these are a bunch of non-trivial steps that it needs to execute. And it did it flawlessly. You can see each one of the steps here as I step through on the right-hand side where it was searching for the tiger sounds. It found a site to then pull down those tiger sounds. And then it did the same thing for city sounds as well. And then it showed, as we step through this, it downloading the software to be able to edit this file, actually editing it down to 10 seconds and delivering the MP3. But as an added bonus, it asked me, should it create a website and so that this sound can be deployed permanently? I said, sure, go ahead, that'd be great. And then it showed me how it went about all the steps it needed to do to autonomously create that website. Now, what did that website look like? This is what the website looked like. It created this website for me and posted my MP3 file to that website so I can share it with anyone if you wanted to listen to it. I can simply hit play and play that for you. So clearly you heard the tiger sound, and following that you heard the sound effects that it's in fact in New York City. So it's truly impressive. So what do you think? Is Manus approaching artificial general intelligence? Think about what we do every day as knowledge workers. Essentially all we're doing is executing a series of tasks to accomplish an end goal. Will our jobs one day transform to just managing a set of AI agents, like a puppeteer, to make sure they're on track to accomplish a predefined set of goals rather than executing on those tasks ourselves? These are all very interesting questions to ponder. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Hopefully you found this video useful, if not scary. Take care.